friends, how are you all? Myself, Momo Sankara, a student of Nitesh Bus Public School. Today is my first day of NSPS. To like my video, then please share, subscribe and like. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get other notifications. So students, today I have come to discuss you all about the pie chart. It is very simple and basic things of the mathematics. This is the simplest chapter of geometry part. Today, at first I will tell about the pie chart. So what is pie chart? Nowadays in many news channels you have seen that percentage of various population have been shown. What is that circular or disc-like shape? That is only the pie chart. So let's discuss. So here this is the pie chart. So there is a formula for finding the central angle for a pie chart. There is a process of creating a pie chart. So we have to find first the central angle for a component on which you have to create a pie chart. So there is a process or formula. That formula I am writing. See on this board. Central angle equal to value of component by sum of all the values of the component by 360 degree. This is the formula. See, central angle equal to sum of all the values of all component by value of the component into 360 degree. This is only the formula we have to keep in mind for finding the central angle. This is only the formula we have to keep in mind. So after finding the central angle for a component, we have to draw one box and make 3 columns like this. Like this, we have to draw one box and make 3 columns. The data on the mode of transport used by 720 students are given below. So this is the question. First you have to write mode of transport. And number, and second column you have to write number of students. If this is a question, the data on the mode of transport used by 720 students are given below. If mode of transport and number of students. Firstly, mode of transport bus, then cycle, then train, then car, then scooter. Number of students have used bus 120. Cycle have used 180. Train 240. Car 80. And scooter have used number of students 100. If this is a question, then how you can create that pie chart? So we have to write total number of students. Then we have to write central angle equal to that formula we are using, value of component by sum of all the values of all component into 360 degree. This is only the formula we have to keep in mind for creating or finding the central angle. We have to keep this formula very carefully. This is very careful and vital part of this chapter. So after doing this, we have to draw one box. So then we have to draw one box and make 3 columns on it. See. Mode of transport, by number of students and third column is central angle. First you have to find about bus. Here bus is given, so you have to find about bus. Number of students have used 120. 120. So you have to use this formula. Value of the component is 120. 120. And sum of all the values of our component 720. 720 into 360 degree. We have to keep in mind that we have to standard that form. We have to keep in mind that we have to standard that form into denominator into 360 degree. 360 how much? 720. 2. 360 into 2. How much? 2 is 120. 2 into 60. Then cycle. Cycle is how much? 180. 180. 180 by 720 into 360. Again we are doing 360 into 2. 2 into 90, 180. Then the answer is 90 degree. First one degree 60 degree and third one degree 90 degree. Third, train. Number of students have used 240. 240 by 720 into 360 degree. 360 is how much? 722. 2 how much? 120. 240? 120. Then the answer is 120. Then car. Car is how much? 80. 80. By 720 into 360. 360 into 2, 2 into 40. The answer is 40 degree. First one is 60 degree, second one 90 degree, third one 120, and fourth one 40 degree. And at last is scooter. Scooter. Number students have used 100 by 720 into 360 degree. Friends, we have to standard the form with denominator with 10 and 60. This is we have to keep in mind. 360 into 2. 2 left. 2 how much is 100? 50. 50. So, the degree is central angle is 50 degree. So, after drawing this formula, we have to draw one box. To draw one pie chart, we have to use 3 geometrical instruments. First one is scale. Second one is compass. And third one is protractor. Okay friends, so after drawing this box, we have to draw one circle. I have drawn this circle. So from middle point, we have to draw one radius. Of any radius you can draw one circle. And from middle point we have to draw one radius. Then we have to draw 60 degree. 60 degree. Then we have to draw 90 degree. Then we have to draw third angle 120 degree. We have to draw these angles with protractor and draw the lines with the scale. Then the next 40 degree and at last 50 degree is this. So we have to write first angle is bus. Bus how much? 50 degree. We have to write 60 degree. Then second cycle. Cycle 90 degree. Then train. Train is 120 degree. And fourth number is car. Car how much? 40 degree. And at last is scooter. Scooter how much? 50 degree. Then we have to set these sectors with different sets. You can use different sets. First, I am using this set. Second, I am using this set. To not match with others. Third, trend. This curve like shape I am using. Fourth one, this cross shape you can use. And fourth, last one is scooter. This square, I am using. So this is the main part of this chapter. First we have to draw of one circle of any radius and place the scale on this middle point and draw one radius. Then after placing and drawn this circle, we have to place the protector on this line. We have put the protector and draw 60 degree first. Then we have draw 90 degree. This 90 degree we have done 120 degree with protector. Fourth and fifth we have drawn 40 degree and 50 degree with protector only. Write the steps of construction. Steps of constructing. On this question basis I am taking the steps. Steps of constructing this pie chart. First step, draw one convenient radius. We have to draw this convenient radius. Second point, draw one circle of any convenient radius. It is first point. Second point, draw a horizontal radius from the starting point. Means this, we have to start the radius from this starting point only. First one I am repeating again. Draw one circle of any convenient radius. Second point, draw a horizontal radius from the starting point. Third number point, from starting with the horizontal radius we have to draw. First one is how much? 60 degree. 60 degree. Second one at 60 degree. 60 degree. Second one 90 degree. Third one 120 degree. Fourth one 40 degree. And last at fifth point 50 degree respectively. And at last and foremost point but not the least, set the sectors with different sets and level each one of them. See the fourth step. First one I have drawn line. Second I have drawn triangle shape. Third I have drawn curved line. Fourth I have drawn cross. And fifth I have drawn square. And level. First one bus, second one cycle, third one train, fourth one car, fifth one scooter. So this is the step. Steps of constructing this pipe. First step, draw one convenient radius of any circle. Draw a horizontal radius from the starting point. From the starting point with the horizontal radius, draw 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 40 degree and 50 degree respectively. And fourth point, set the sectors with different sets and level each one of them. So friends, this is the steps of constructing a pie chart. So guys, today for this much only. Thank you. So guys, today for this much only. Thank you for your cooperation. And again I am telling, if you like my video, then please share, subscribe and like, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications. And also you can watch the other videos of other students of our batch only in this channel, and our channel name is NSPS Students. So guys, today for this much only. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye.